I want to share a little bit of my story because I found myself being so aggressive. I'll do everything to achieve whatever that I want. There was once that I was running trials and errors to see what can work online and both offline, and I realized that something like integrating both offline and online was working so perfect, and it would do greater things and make me much profits. About building your own business from scratch with very little income. Do you know that attracting new client is very much hard compared to retaining your current client, and it doesn't take much effort to maintain them, because with the proven strategies you'll always find that that client is always there all the time. But there's that one big problem that people have never understood, especially when I'm talking about people, I'm referring to the business entrepreneurs. So you find that they dump, as I can say, they dump their clients once they are through with them just after one single shot of sale, which is very bad. And so take for instance having a business whereby you sell product and you have 10 clients maybe get subscribed to your services every week. So that means that you have 40 clients every month. Having 40 regular clients every month, and you happen to add about 8 clients every month, and they stick. Because of this scenario, I'm trying to put an assumption that you do everything right and all the clients are sticking. Then it means that at the end of the 12 months or 1 year, you have a basic of 98 clients, and that will have given you in the lower edge $368. So in short, what I'm saying, there is a secret in putting or entertaining your own clients and retaining them. And so that's why customers are king, and so you have to make them very precious, and you have to have a strategy to retain them.